What if your next smartphone could replace your professional camera? Meet the new vivo X300 Ultra, a true flagship built for creators, photographers, and power users. With a powerful 200-megapixel ZEISS camera system, the latest Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 processor, a stunning 2K AMOLED display, and a massive 6600 mAh battery, this phone is clearly built to compete at the very top. But the real question is it really worth the premium price? Let's find out. Starting with the design, the vivo X300 Ultra looks bold, stylish, and genuinely premium. It features a premium glass back with a strong aluminum frame, giving it that solid flagship feel the moment you hold it. The phone measures around 163 by 76.8 by 8.2 millimeters and weighs about 232 grams. Yes, it feels a little heavy, but that makes perfect sense because of the massive battery and advanced camera hardware inside. It also comes with IP68 and IP69 water and dust resistance, adding serious durability for daily use. On the front, you get a huge 6.82-inch LTPO AMOLED display. It supports a super smooth 140Hz refresh rate, HDR10+, Dolby Vision, and a sharp 2K resolution of 3168 by 1440 pixels. Brightness is excellent, so outdoor visibility is never a problem. Whether you're gaming, watching videos, or editing photos, this display looks absolutely stunning. Powering the device is the latest Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 chipset, built on an advanced 3nm processor. It is paired with the Adreno 840 GPU, delivering true flagship-level performance. Gaming, multitasking, video editing, and heavy camera processing all feel incredibly fast and smooth. Without a doubt, this is one of the fastest Android phones of 2026. For memory and storage, vivo offers up to 16 GB of RAM and storage options starting from 256 GB all the way up to 1 TB. It uses ultra-fast UFS 4.1 storage and LPDDR5X RAM for maximum speed and better power efficiency. There is no microSD card slot, but honestly, with 1 TB of storage, most users will never need one. Now let's talk about the biggest highlight, the cameras. The vivo X300 Ultra features a powerful 200-megapixel main ZEISS camera with OIS, delivering sharp, detailed, and premium quality shots.
You also get a 200MP Periscope telephoto lens with powerful optical zoom and telephoto macro support. There is also a 50MP ultra-wide camera for landscapes, travel shots, and creative photography. This phone feels less like a smartphone and more like a professional camera that fits in your pocket. For selfies, there is a sharp 50MP front camera with autofocus. And for video creators, things get even better. You get advanced 4K video recording, strong stabilization, and professional-grade video tools built for serious content creation. This phone is clearly made for creators, filmmakers, and mobile photographers. Battery life is another major advantage. You get a huge 6600 mAh silicon carbon battery that easily lasts a full day, even with heavy use. And charging is seriously fast. There is 100-watt wired flash charge and 40-watt wireless charging support. Big battery, fast charging, and no battery anxiety. For connectivity, the X300 Ultra supports full 5G, Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 6.0, NFC, USB Type-C, and dual SIM support. You also get stereo speakers, an ultrasonic in-display fingerprint scanner, and excellent flagship haptics. Everything feels complete. Everything feels premium. The phone runs Android 16 with Origin OS 6 on top. The software feels smooth, fast, and well optimized for high performance. Vivo has also improved its camera software significantly, especially for professional photography and cinematic video creation. Now, let's talk about the price. The vivo X300 Ultra starts in the premium flagship category, and the final price depends on your storage variant and region. Yes, it is expensive. But this phone is clearly made for users who want the absolute best camera experience possible. So, should you buy the vivo X300 Ultra? If you want one of the best camera phones of 2026, top-level performance, and true premium hardware, then yes, it is absolutely worth considering. This is not just another smartphone. It is a mobile photography powerhouse. The vivo X300 Ultra is built for people who want the absolute best. And honestly, it delivers.